The champion of the tennis tournament, Neşe, the one and only. Wait for me, you guys. Here I come. The champion is coming right behind ya. Yumak, what are you doing up here? You can't come to school with me. We talked about it. No way, Yumak. Out, no way. Go ahead now. Oh, Yumak,
Huh? Shh! Yuma, calm down, will ya? You're gonna distract my sister! Shh!
$15-0. Okay, everyone, looks like we have a winner.
Congratulations! Good game, Gulchin.
Thank you so much, Neşe.
Not now, Yumak. I'm not in the mood.
Don't be sad, sis. You're totally gonna win next time.
It's time to go home.
Welcome home, guys. Tell me, how was your day?
It couldn't get any worse.
She lost the tennis game, and with a terrible score to boot.
Huh? What is this? Minnie! Manny!
Hello, Neşe. Sorry we couldn't contact you earlier. Some space viruses invaded our home planet.
At first, we didn't know that they were viruses. They looked like tiny little shapalots. Then it turned out they weren't visitors, but viruses.
There's a special medallion for you in the messenger. You can use the medallion and contact us when you need to. And you can understand the animals all around you.
Plus, there are also many special skills you can unlock.
But of course, you should only use it when it's necessary. Unfortunately, we gotta go. Goodbye now.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy